Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. I'm here to present my PowerPoint presentation about the different types of shipborne meteorological instruments. First, we have the anemometer. An anemometer is an instrument used to measure the speed or velocity of gases either in contained flow, such as airflow in a duct, or in unconfined flow, such as atmospheric wind. To determine the velocity, an anemometer detects change in some physical property of the fluid or the effect of the fluid on a mechanical inserted into the flow. So, ang functions an anemometer is it measures wind speed, and the principle of operation of an anemometer is it typically works by rotating cups or blades in the wind with a rotation speed proportional to wind speed. Factors influencing accuracy and limitation: calibration, placement of the ship, avoiding disturbances from ship's structures, and sensitivity to turbulence affect accuracy. Limitations include accuracy degradation at very low or very high wind speed. Second, we had the wind vane. Wind vane, also known as a weather vane, is an instrument that tells you the wind direction. Specifically, a wind vane lets you know what direction the wind is coming from. In other words, a southwest reading on a wind vane means that the wind is originating southwest of your location and heading in a northeast direction. So, ang functions of wind vane is it determines wind direction. And the principal operation of wind vane, it utilizes a pointer that aligns with the wind direction open with a potentiometer or other sensor to measure the angle. Factors influencing accuracy and limitations: proper mounting alignment, avoidance of wind shadow from the ship, and sensitivity to mechanical wear influence accuracy. Limitations include susceptibility to icing and limited accuracy in turbulent condition. Third, we have the barometer. A barometer that it records the barometric pressure over time in graphical form. This instrument is also used to make a continuous recording of atmospheric pressure. The pressure sensitive element, a partially evacuated metal cylinder, is linked to a pen arm in such way that the vertical displacement of the pen is proportional to changes in the atmospheric pressure. So, ang function sa barometer is it measures atmospheric pressure. Principle of operation sa barometer is it utilizes a column of mercury and aneroid mechanism to measure pressure changes. Factors influencing accuracy and limitation: calibration, temperature compensation, and altitude correction affect accuracy. Limitation include sensitivity to ship motion and slow response time in rapidly changing condition. Third, we have the location of the on the bridge kung asa ang barometer. Muna kanina sa duha ka kanang duha ka buok mana ang location sa barometer sa bridge. Next, we have the thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument that measures temperature. It can measure the temperature of a solid such as food, a liquid such as water, or a gas such as air. The three most common units of measurement for temperature are Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. The function of thermometer is it measures air or sea surface temperature. And the principle of operation of thermometer is it utilizes either liquid in glass, bimetallic strip, or electronic sensors to measure temperature. Factors influencing accuracy and limitations of thermometer: calibration, insulation from ship heat sources, and proper sensor immersion depth affect accuracy. Limitation includes slow response time in rapidly changing conditions and susceptibility in mechanical damage. Next, we have the hygrometer, psychrometer. Uh, the function of hygrometer, psychrometer is it measures humidity. Principle of operation. It utilizes either a dry and wet bulb thermometer or electronic sensors to measure humidity. Factors influencing accuracy and limitation. Calibration, temperature effects, and proper ventilation around the sensor influence accuracy. Limitations include susceptibility to contamination and calibration drift over time. So, the location of the vessels is at the port and starboard wing. So, ang port and starboard wing have the uh, the hygrometer. Tagsa-tagsa sila. Sa task 3, interpret the humidity and dew point based on a given reading from hygrometer. So, example is dry temp 30 degrees Celsius and the wet is 26 degrees Celsius. Ang atong buhaton lang is i-minus ang 30 minus 26 equals 4. And atong makita diri sa difference between wet bulb and dry bulb temperature stable is ang 4. And 4 atong itungod sa 30, ang mugawas is 24 degrees Celsius. Mao na is ang dew point. Thank you.